It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So guys, I've got something really exciting or really interesting actually to show you today. So Melodysusie has sent me this gift box over, and I do believe these are limited edition, so once they're gone, they are gone. And before we get into this gift box, I'll quickly tell you just a little bit about what this Flury gel nail polish is about. So it's a completely plant-based gel polish. It's made from the highest standard ingredients. It hasn't got any HEMA, it hasn't got the HPMA or the TPO. It's free from 21 of the toxic substances that are found in a lot of these cheaper brands. One of the ingredients used to make it is a soybean oil. All the ingredients are responsibly sourced, less chemicals, but they've still kept that self-leveling high gloss kind of finish. And apparently these were 2 years in the making, 2 years of sourcing the best quality ingredients and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm quite interested to see what this is like and what it's all about. It seems like a lot of effort has gone into these new Flury gel polishes. So there are quite a few colours I've noticed now up on the website of the Flury gel polishes. This is just a kind of introductory gift box, but these are limited edition, so once they're gone, they're gone. And guys, I'm sorry, I couldn't help myself. I have had a little sneaky peek, which I don't normally do, but yeah, I did have a sneaky peek. Right, so when you open this gift box, we're met with this little card. Scan the QR code for more surprise gifts. So feel free to scan that, see if it works. I'm not sure if it will do anything, or if it has to be my account. I'm not sure. Try it. So we've got the 4 gel polishes. We'll take a look at them in a minute. But guys, look at this in the middle. It's just an empty polish bottle, but it says insert flowers into this vase. So this is like they've provided an extra little empty bottle to use as a vase. I think this is so quirky. So just let me pull these gel polishes out. We will look at them in a minute. The packaging, the box as well is beautiful. So it says, pull me up, unlock this layer to enjoy the gift of Flury. So let's pull this up and see what we got. So just let me pull this out. This is so cool. So we've got the dried flowers. So these dried flowers are what is going to go in there. They've got the little bit of tweed tied around them. Look at this teeny tiny little rose. Oh my gosh, they're just miniature and so cute. There's teeny tiny little rose there. So quirky, isn't it? So we'll have a look at that in a minute. So we've got some stickers in the box. Oh, these are cute. I like all the little teeny tiny little leaves and foliage. I quite like them. They're rather cute. And then we've got these ones. See, these are cute as well. I like the little bows. And then we've got, I think these are maybe little tulips in frames. We've got a little bunch of tulips there. Single tulip. These are really delicate and tiny and really, really cute. I do like them. And lastly, in the gift box, we have got a set of nail art brushes. So let's see what we got in here. Right, so it's a set of 6. One of them has got a dotting tool on the end. Yeah, this one's got a dotting tool on the end. And they've all got the Melodysusie branding. So this one is, I like this actually. It's quite long. It's square. It's quite long this. I quite like that. That would make a fantastic clean-up brush. Then this one has got a little bit damaged in transit. If you do have any brushes that turn up and they're a bit skew-whiffed like that, just run them under a hot tap. Not too hot. Just run them under a hot tap and just keep pulling them like that, and within seconds they'll go back nice and straight. So yeah, this is a little detailer brush. I like that. Oh, I missed this one. So this one's got a dotting tool on the end. So this is exactly the same as the first one I showed you, but this one's a little bit shorter. This is an angled brush, so that's got an even smaller dotting tool on the end. I use dotting tools a hell of a lot. Right, this one is a rounded oval. Just a nice round oval gel brush. Nice. Right, then we've got what looks like, this is like a sculpting, 3D kind of sculpting brush, isn't it? You use these to sculpt with acrylic and make little flowers out of acrylic, or you can even use these with polygel and 3D gel. It's quite a versatile little brush, these are. And lastly, for the brushes, we have got the teeniest, tiniest little detailer brush. Guys, look at the size of this. So I would say this is a 4mm. Teeny tiny little detailer brush, teeny little thing, 3 or 4mm. Right, so shall we have a look at these gel polishes? So we've got the black and the white, and then we've got kind of red and pink. So these are actually 15mm, big bottles. I do like the feel of these. So the bottles are glass. We've got ingredients on the back there. Right, let's get these swatched, shall we? So I'm going to start with the white. You can always tell with a white if the gels are going to be nice or not. Right, so we've got those really nice kind of rounded brushes. Really nice, thin, kind of rounded off. I do prefer these brushes. So let's have a look at the white. So I'm just going to do 2 thin coats of each, unless I really don't need to. Oh wow, I don't think I'm going to need 2 coats with this white. It's a white, and it is highly pigmented. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to need 2 coats with that. Definitely not. It's really, really white. So let's do the black. Right, so the black, oh, yeah, the black is not as highly pigmented as the white was. You would need 2 thin coats of this black. Well, it depends what design you're going for, isn't it? But if you want to use it as a pitch black, you would definitely need 2 thin coats. But I think most brands always advise you to do 2 thin coats anyway, don't they? So that's the black. This is a standard black, but it is a teeny tiny bit sheer, not much, but yeah, a little bit. Super smooth, these gels. They feel rather nice to use. So we've got a red, right, so it's not a kind of primary red, it's a bit darker red, like a dark blood red, fresh kind of blood red. Oh wow, this is highly pigmented, this red. Very nice. Gosh, this red is painting on like it's an acrylic paint. Extremely thin coat, and it's fully opaque. One really thin coat. Oh, it's brighter. It looks darker in the bottle, but it is actually a kind of perfect primary red. Very nice. Right, and lastly, let's do the pink. Guys, whilst I'm doing this pink as well, I've just had a nosy on the website, and there's massive savings at the minute. I'm not too sure how it all works, and I don't want to explain it in case I get it wrong. But go and check the website out. There's already massive savings on at the minute, and like I said, this box is limited edition. Once it's gone, it's gone. Oh wow, right, this has got a shimmer. I didn't know that. I think this is called Carnation. I can't remember, but I just saw this shimmery one on the website and thought, oh, that's pretty. I think it's called Carnation. So I'm gonna have to put my light down to show you this a little bit. Can you see that beautiful shimmer? It's really subtle, but it's so pretty, and it is holographic. You can see it to the eye. I can see it, but I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up. Yeah, it's just not showing you any colour. Such a pretty gel. Very nice. Right, so whilst them gels are curing, shall we have a little go with this vase and mini flowers? This is so cute. Oh wow. So these have arrived intact. The only thing that's fell off is that little thing there. Right, I'm just gonna squeeze them into this bottle if I can. Guys, how cute is this? This is adorable. I'm obsessed. I think that is adorable. Something different, isn't it? So there we go, guys. That's them swatched. Really good quality gels. So overall, I think it's a really cute little gift box, isn't it? It's different. It's certainly different from anything I've ever seen. Or is it a case where it's literally just this that makes it different? I don't know. But the formula certainly is different. I know people are getting massive now on things being toxic free and vegan and healthy and all this kind of stuff. So I think brands that are innovative and they're keeping up with, just everybody's got the little quirks now. Everybody thrives to be better and healthier and use more responsibly sourced products, whether it's food or beauty products. There's a massive market for it right now, isn't there? And I think companies that are proactive and they're moving with the times, I think they'll go for. And Melodysusie is definitely one of them brands that is moving with the times, so I applaud it. Anyway, I'm going to shut up, guys. I'm going to get off. I've got a discount code for Melodysusie as well. Everything will be down in my description box. And guys, before I go as well, I'm not going to apologise, but I do want to say I am going to do better. I'm well aware my upload schedule is all over the place at the minute. I'm really struggling to stick to a routine because every day is different. Where I am in my life now and what I am doing, every day is different. I can't plan ahead. I can't stick to a routine because every day is different. Like at my old, I won't say at my old house or where I lived before. I'll say with my old life, I could have a timetable because every day was the same. Nothing ever rocked the boat. Every day was the same, so I could have a timetable. Whereas here, yeah, every day is different. Every day is completely out of my control. So I'm really struggling to find a routine. The best I can do is upload as and when I've got time to upload for now. But what I do want to say is I appreciate every single one of you. Those of you that the minute a video goes out, you're clicking on it like you're so excited to see my videos, and it just means so much. Especially now where my life has changed so much for the better. It has changed for the better, but it's still difficult. And I just want you all to know I appreciate you all. And one way or another, you have all got me through this last year. It means a lot. It really does. And hopefully I can thank you all by sticking at it, doing better, being better, and keep going. Wow, that was unexpected. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.